Because the media seems to always tend to send mixed messages, one of the things we wanted to do today is just drop a message and just kind of update everyone on some of the things that we've got going on in the markets right now when it comes to real estate funding. For us, we see investors every single day, boots on the ground, that are out there working, hustling hard, and bringing in all kinds of transactions. And so we are a private label lender. We continue to focus on the bridge loan markets for fix and flip real estate investors, where we're still doing 90%, 100% rehab, 90% on the purchase. Still on various options, just on the short term, 12 months, 18 months, etc. We are actually doing a lot in the DSC markets right now. Some of the markets out there, like the Atlanta markets, where they're passing new laws on Airbnbs, and we have investors that are having to release those Airbnbs into the market as rentals, which we actually feel is a good thing. It's now helping some of those properties that have been renovated beautifully, to be able to put those on the markets and have the regular consumer actually access those as primary residences is great, or purchase them as rentals. And for those investors looking to pick up more rental inventory, we are financing those on DSCR loans currently as we speak. We're still doing 80% of purchase with only 20% down. Highly competitive market rates. Rates move with the markets. But we offer very competitive rates in today's world on the DSCR type of loans. And we're going to be dropping another video here very quickly on the DSCRs as well. But at the moment, we also wanted to make just a special note of what we're doing in the commercial space right now in commercial bridge loans. Although we're an FHA correspondent lender and can handle a lot of the larger scale commercial deals on acquisitions, purchase with renovations and so forth on the longer 35-year notes and so forth. We also offer a space where we can help on the commercial bridge loans finance up to 80% LTVs on multifamily, industrial, office, retail, mixed use, self-storage, manufactured housing, and hospitality as well in the commercial space. And we're doing those deals anywhere from $3 million to $50 million with our private label financing. So we have a lot of control in how we do that. We're looking for deals like that on 700 and up scores. And then, for folks, with sub 700 scores, we have other bridge opportunities available through our correspondent avenues. But when we're looking at those types of bridge loans at 70%, 70 to 80%, I apologize, on the loan to values, we're still doing that with no prepayment penalties. In order to give our real estate investors the flexibility that they need to go out and buy more commercial deals, larger commercial deals. If you're buying some type of retail space that needs renovation, if you're buying retail renovation, we get that question a lot, and folks saying we just can't find it. In certain price points, we can certainly help with those types of transactions and move on those very quickly. In type of funding structures with no prepayment penalties and so forth. So if you've got a larger commercial deal, anywhere from I'd say a medium size to large, and looking for anywhere between 3 to 5 million upwards to 50 million, we're handling those types of transactions right now in our space. And so again, just wanted to put a note out there. We see so much happening in the news and media, and sometimes it's just a different story when we're working with the actual investors and those with boots on the ground looking to make a living and access capital or credit for their real estate transactions. So if you've got a deal, hit the link below, send us a scenario. There's no credit check to look at the deal, and we can help figure out perhaps a pricing structure or a capital stack for it that can work for you. Send it over today, and we look forward to speaking with you.